Exam questions answers. NEB HSEB 2064. Question number 7A. Group A. Question number 7A. Evaluate the indefinite integral. Evaluate the indefinite integral. Integration of ax square plus bx plus c by x dx. Solution. We have to find the indefinite integral, or we can say integration of the given function. Let's suppose the integration of the given function or indefinite integral as I. I is equal to integration of ax square plus bx plus c by x dx. The first step, we'll separate the terms ax square by x plus bx by x plus c by x. X will cancel, we get ax plus x's cancel, we get b plus c by x as it is dx. So first step is separating the terms, dividing by x. So a as it is, ax taking a common, so integration of x plus b means b into 1, so integration of b into integration of 1 dx plus c integration of 1 by x dx. So finding the integration of each term separately. So a as it is, the integration of x is x square by 2. While finding integration, we have to increase the power by 1. X power 1 is 1, so we have to add 1, x power 2 and divide by the power, because the formula of integration of x to the power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. We have to increase the power by 1, then we get power n plus 1, and then we have divided by n plus 1. So by using the power rule of integration. So x will become x power 1 will be x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. That means x power 2 by 2 plus b. Integration of 1 is x plus c. Integration of 1 by x is log x plus k. K is the constant of integration and we have to add it ourselves. Integration of 1 is x because the derivative of x is 1. So integration of 1 is x. 1 by x integration is log x because log x derivative is 1 by x. We know antiderivative is the reverse of derivative. So log x derivative is 1 by x. So 1 by x antiderivative will be equal to log x. Hence I is equal to, that means the indefinite integral of the given function is ax square by 2 plus bx plus c log x plus k. Exam questions answer. NEB HSEB 2064. Question number 7b. Group A. Question number 7b. If the marginal cost of a product is x square minus 3x plus 2, where x is the number of units produced, and if the cost of producing 1 unit is R10, find the total cost function. If the marginal cost of a product is x square minus 3x plus 2, where x is the number of units produced, and if the cost of producing 1 unit is R10, find the total cost function. So according to question, solution, according to question, the marginal cost of a product is given and we have to find the total cost function when the production cost of 1 unit is R10. Given the marginal cost MC is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2, the cost of producing 1 unit is given R10 and we have to find the total cost function. We know cost function is the antiderivative of marginal cost. Marginal cost is x square minus 3x plus 2. Now finding the antiderivative of each term, x square integration of x square dx minus 3x integration of 3x dx plus integration of 2 dx. Now cx is equal to x square integration is x cube by 3. We have to increase the power by 1. So we get x cube and divide by the same power, x cube by 3 minus 3 as it is. The integration of x is x square by 2 because power is 1. So when we increase power by 1, we get x square and divide by the same power. We get x, integration of x is x square 2 plus 2 as it is. 2 means 2 into 1, 2 as it is. And integration of 1 is x because x derivative is 1 plus k. K is the constant of integration. So this is the total cost function. So total cost function is the antiderivative of marginal cost. To find the value of k, that means constant term, the cost of production of 1 unit is given 10. That means when x is equal to 1, quantity is 1, the cost of production of 1 unit is r is 10. So we'll put the value of x1 in the cost function to get the value of the constant term. So x value putting 1 on both sides. So cost of 1 unit is equal to x value 1, 1 by 3, x value 1, 1 by 2, x value 1, 2 into 1 plus k. So cost of 1 unit, the production cost of 1 unit is given 10. So putting the value of the cost of production of 1 unit, that means 10, rupees 10. 1 by 3 minus 3 by 2 plus 2 plus k. So the value of k will be equal to 10 minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2 minus 2. So after calculation we get 3 to the 6, LCM is 6. So 6 is 48 minus 3 to the 6, 2 plus 2 3 is 6, 3 3 is 9. The value of k is The value of k is 48 minus 2 plus 9 by 6. We get 55 by 2. Therefore, the total cost function is Cx is equal to x cube by 3 minus 3x by 2 plus 2x plus k. The value of k, we have found 55 by 2. So, x cube by 3 minus 3x by 2 plus 2x plus 50 by 2 is the required total cost function, where x is the number of units produced. So, when the marginal cost of a product is x square minus 3x plus 2, the cost of production of 1 unit is R10, then the total cost function, that means Cx is equal to x cube by 3 minus 3x square by 2